What's up, Shanae? In the class with the kids, we be vibing.
Classic teachers outside, we be chilling.
Hey,
Out of order? Say outsider. No, you're too outsider.
You too outsider. Outsider? What are we saying? Outsider?
Outsider.
Outsider. Lord.
Outsider.
Outsider.
Yeah.
Outsider. Okay. All right. What a coincidence.
A buck ups.
A buck ups?
Yeah. What a coincidence.
Oh my gosh, we both wear this today?
A buck ups.
A buck ups.
A buck ups.
A buck ups. Okay. All right. Stick your tongue out.
Long out your tongue.
Long out your tongue. Long out your tongue. That's what they say to the doctor? The doctor be like, long out your tongue.
I don't know if Jamaican doctors talk like that, but it's a long out your tongue.
Long out your tongue.
Tongue.
Tongue. All right. Take your shoes off.
Take off your shoes.
Why y'all gotta say it in like a rhythm? Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes.
Hey. Take off your shoes. Hey.
Take off your shoe, man. Take off your shoe.
Actually, there's a song.
Oh no. Dear Lord.
Say, cry, cry, baby, moonshine, darling, take off your shoes and go to your bed. When you go to Sunday school, the teacher call you a big dopey fool.
Cry, cry, darling.
Cry, cry, baby.
Cry, cry, baby.
Moonshine, darling.
Moonshine.
Take off your shoes and go to your bed.
Take off your shoes and go to your bed.
When you go to Sunday school.
When you go to the church in the Sunday school.
Where the church come from? When you hear me say the church.
I just had to enter it for flavor.
Not flavor.
Cry, cry, baby. Moonshine, darling. Take off your shoes and go to your bed.
When you go
To Sunday school.
the teacher
Call you a
big dopey fool.
Duppy fool. There it
Remember
is.
what a dopey is? Dopey.
Oh, a ghost.
Yes.
A big ghost fool.
I don't know. Ask Jamaican. I don't know. I never
Me
come.
no know. Me no know either. Take off your shoe. All right. Tangerine. We did that one, didn't we?
Tangerine.
Tangerine.
Stangerine.
Tangerine. Why are we putting an S in the front?
Jamaica. Stangerine.
Margarine. Tangerine. Okay. T-shirt.
Ganzi.
Gia. Ganzi. How you spell that? G-Y-A-N-Z-Y.
Z-Y.
Ganzi.
Yeah.
Put on your Ganzi. Well, and that'll do it. All right. Throw it away.
Fling away.
Fling away.
Flingy.
Flingy. Flingy way.
Or dash it way.
Dash it way.
Yeah.
You don't like the cupcake? Dash it way.
Yeah.
Fling it. Flingy.
Fling away.
Fling
Yeah,
it way.
fling and go far.
But why you gotta...
Fling.
When we say throw it away, we just mean like... Not like throw it away.
Yeah, that's a fling. But if you're putting the garbage just right, just say dash it way. Fling it way. Dash it way.
So if you're throwing it far...
I just made that up. I think so. Jamaica, don't kill me. But fling it far.
They're gonna be like, no, we don't.
I must say no name. I know that would say, but I'm ready for them.
Okay. We are going to attempt for her to get on my back. She doesn't think that I can hold her, but I'm fully convinced. All right, ready? Let go.
Olivia, you alright? Get it out.
I'm not.
You sure you're alright?
I told you I can hold you.
Dang.
We can go anywhere.
Should have cut it on footage.
Okay, I'm finna get it. Inky. Oh,
Y'all
dip.
gonna dip?
No.
Y'all gonna dip?
Why? We dip chips in some dip. Dip our nuggets in some sauce.
Sauce.
Dip. Inky, binky, bonky. Daddy had a donkey. Donkey died. Daddy cried. Inky, binky, bonky. And it would be me.
Dip. My mother and your mother was washing some clothes. My mother thumped your mother in her big fat nose. What color blood came out?
Purple?
P-U-R-P-L-E. That's spelled purple, and out you may go. Something like that. Y'all don't say that?
Y'all don't say it? Okay, so y'all do like bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish?
Oh, that's cute.
We used to do that around the circle though. It'd be a bunch of feet. Like you put all your feet in. That's how we pick who's gonna be it for like how to see. Bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? How many?
2.
1, 2, you're out. Or you're it, or whatever.
See, that's normal. But we say, I don't want to go to Mexico no more and more and more. There's a big fat policeman at the door. If him only buy your collar, Lord, him would have. If him only buy your foot, Lord, him a go poop. If him only buy your head, Lord, him a go dead.
And then who's it? Like, I don't understand.
Who dead?
Dip. No, who's it? Like,
The person who dead.
oh. The shenanigans of what we do after work. I'm gonna hold her.
You sure?
Yes. Ready? She thought I couldn't hold her.
Wow!
Don't let me run.
You sure you're alright? Your back good?
My back is good. Look at
Come
this.
for me, come for me.
Ooh.
Hey.
Oh. Oh my God. Ooh. Yeah, see?
Why not spin me?
I can't get that high off the ground. I can't get you that high off the ground.
Somebody.
Can I try this?